Got ourselves a new case today. We're opening it. See what we got.
That's popular, not our
Is it?
selection, but
Yeah, we'll probably grab that one too, huh? Oh, look at that. A Walter White. What else do we got here in the L case? Ooh, look at that. Dodge Corvette.
ooh.
Damn, that's nice. Another Ferrari.
I'll take that for the students.
Wow. Look at that. Mustang.
Oh.
There's another key.
Yep, gotta get that.
Let's see. Another gasser. Let's see what else we got here. These just came out of the case, guys, on the L case. We'll look at see what we find for the treasure hunt here.
Is that the gray Audi?
Yep, there's your other gray Audi. There's your another key. What is that? A Volkswagen Custom.
Ooh.
Look at that. VW T3 Custom.
It's not the treasure hunt, is it?
No, but I've never seen that one before. Gordon Murphy Automotive. I think I got that one already. Ooh, look at that. Mercedes AMG.
Is it the Oracle car? No.
No.
There is an Oracle one right now.
Ooh, we'll have to get that one. Huh. Lotus, you better keep that one.
Is that another Ferrari? We'll take that.
Yeah, look at that.
So you have to tell them what you customarily do when you gotta open the box.
Well, if we get the chance, then this is what we're doing right now.
But we gotta put them up
Let's
on the
see
shelf.
if we can find the actual. Yeah, I put them in a tote and keep them, but.
No, on the shelf for the people. For the store.
Mustang's pretty sharp. This Honda thing is ugly, but anything that's Honda, we gotta keep. Running out of cars here.
I mean, there's guaranteed one in there.
Better be. When it comes to finding the treasures in the wild, man, I am. Seems like I am at the back of the line. Of course, I don't know what the treasure hunts are for this year. Oh, here it is, right here.
Ooh.
The Chevrolet.
Oh, that one was here the other day when she told me about it.
Look at that.
Okay, see if you can show it. Oh yeah, you can see it under there. Flip it
Yeah.
back. Yep.
See? And there's the symbol right there.
Cool.
Of course, it's got it on the car right there. Huh. That's it for L case, guys.